USB. And adapter to TV. Okay, I have a TV. Now we need to input this to TV. Okay, it's connected. And for this we need adapter. So we have here connect adapter for USB. And we need to connect this. So just connect. Okay, now we can turn on TV. And you can see Microsoft. And we have here display adapter 03. Now it is working.